Hello everyone, welcome back to Progress in English. In today's video, we are going to take a quiz on WH questions. Let's begin. Question 1. Dash is knocking at the door. The correct option is who. Who is knocking at the door? Question 2. Dash are you looking for in the bag? The correct option is D. What? What are you looking for in the bag? Question 3. Dash do you usually wake up in the morning? The correct option is B. When? When do you usually wake up in the morning? Question 4. Dash teaches you English. The correct option is C. Who? Who teaches you English? Question 5. Dash is your favorite subject at school. The correct option is B. What? What is your favorite subject at school? Question 6. Dash are you going after class? The correct option is A. Where? Where are you going after class? Question 7. Dash are you sad today? The correct option is A. Why? Why are you sad today? Question 8. Dash of these two pens belongs to you. The correct option is D. Which? Which of these two pens belongs to you? Question 9. Dash bag is this on the table? The correct option is B. Whose? Whose bag is this on the table? Question 10. Dash did you invite to your birthday party? The correct option is C. Whom? Whom did you invite to your birthday party? Question 11. Dash, can I help you today? The correct option is B. How? How can I help you today? Question 12. Dash is your best friend? The correct option is A. Who? Who is your best friend? Question 13. Dash did you meet at the library? The correct option is A. Whom? Whom did you meet at the library? Question 14. Dash are we going to start the meeting? The correct option is D. When? When are we going to start the meeting? Question 15. Dash is the capital city of Russia. The correct option is B. What? What is the capital city of Russia? Question 16. Dash are you talking to on the phone? The correct option is C. Who? Who are you talking to on the phone? Question 17. Dash is your teacher's name. The correct option is B. What? What is your teacher's name? Question 18. Dash are you wearing that jacket? It's 40 degrees. The correct option is A. Why? Why are you wearing that jacket? It's 40 degrees. Question 19. Dash do you spell your last name? The correct option is A. How? How do you spell your last name? Question 20. Dash book do you want to borrow? The red one or the blue one? The correct option is D. Which? Which book do you want to borrow? The red one or the blue one? Question 21. Dash took my pencil from the desk. The correct option is B. Who? Who took my pencil from the desk? Question 22. Dash, are you coming home today? The correct option is C. When? When are you coming home today? Question 23. Dash umbrella is this? The correct option is B. Whose? Whose umbrella is this? Question 24. Dash is sitting next to Sam. The correct option is A. Who? Who is sitting next to Sam? Question 25. Dash did you learn to play the guitar so well? The correct option is C. How? How did you learn to play the guitar so well? That's it for today's video. I hope that you learned something new, and I'll see you next time. Bye.